Hi, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida. I'm going to be showing you how to actually insert your column and plate placement into the middle tier of your wedding cake to support the top tier. You're basically going to need a wedding cake plate in the same size and dimension as what your bottom tier is going to be. This is a 7-inch cake plate. You're then going to add 4 column supports, which should be about the same height as what your middle tier is going to be. Make sure they're well in place. You're then just going to gently stick this column support right on the top of your next tier of your wedding cake. And then you're going to take a ruler and you're going to measure the distance all the way around. Make sure it's approximately the same distance. This is about 1.5 inches to go all the way around to make sure everything is straight and square. And then you're going to gently push the support and the columns directly into the middle tier of the cake. You just want to use a slow, steady movement. Make sure it's nice and straight. And basically that's it. We've just inserted a plate with a column support into the middle tier of a 3-tier wedding cake. My name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakery in Tampa, Florida.